This time, I'm going to make a Japanese fried chicken. This is called Karaage, or Japanese rabbit. I'll give you 2 tips in this video. If you get a chance, please give it a try. First, peel ginger skin. You can peel by a spoon. And grate it. And grate garlic. Cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces. First tip, marinate the chicken with sugar for 10 minutes to make it juicy. One tablespoon sugar. Marinate it. More than 5 minutes rest. Then 2 tablespoons of milling, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and garlic and ginger. And marinate them. Coat the chicken with starch. Second tip, you should fry chicken 2 times in order to make it juicy. Let it rest 5 minutes between frying. First time, oil temperature should be 170 degrees. Fry for 3 minutes. Two minutes rest. And then second time. Oil temperature should be 180 degrees. Fry for 2 minutes. We finish. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel.